So how can you set up a Google email account on an iPhone? Let's get started. So Google email account can be used for four different things. It can be used to sync notes, contacts, calendar events, and actual emails, right? So depending on where exactly you want to add it, you can choose that approach. But let me just show you how you can add it for the email. So you need to open up the settings app of your phone, and entirely at the bottom you have the apps section. So you can find every single installed app listed in here. From the list, find the mail app and get inside. Then click on mail accounts and then proceed by clicking on add a new mail account. And this gives you a pop-up or a window with all of these like different providers. So naturally you want to pick Google from the list. Then just go through the basic setup process where you just add, sign in with your account and everything, and you can just keep on going like that. This is basically how you can add it to your mail app. Before you finish this, it should ask you which things you want to sync. So as I said, this can include the notes, contacts, calendars, and also email. So if you want more things to be synced, make sure you add it in there as well. Obviously, outside of that, you can also use some different mail clients to access your Google email. For example, I like to use the Gmail app from Google, but it's just my personal preference and you can use any app that you prefer. So that's it. That's everything I wanted to show you in this video. Subscribe for more tutorials and tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later.